Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online session for English vocabulary of grade 7. Here I am teacher Mrs. Naula. Today I am going to start unit number 7 with the topic everything that happens as it should. You will find the main text of this topic on pages 88 and 89. Let's start our mission and keep the book open before you for page 88. What a day! I am shivering and my feet are swollen from our long, grueling march, yet I must first attend to the needs of my master, Emperor Marcus Aurelius. We are on the northern frontier on a campaign to put down an uprising of a rugged Germanic tribe. The barbarians fired the first salvo yesterday, raining arrows down on a number of our brave legionaries. Today we move to a higher ground to gain momentum for attack. My master is exhausted and takes his dinner alone this evening without his generals. I am starving but would not presume to eat. At least I got a taste a little beef and wine, as I sample everything first in case a foe tries to poison him. I am ever vigilant to possible plots against his life and I trust no one, although I know my master trusts me. As well he should, for I was sold into slavery before birth to pay off my father's debts and have been in the imperial household all my life. We have been gone from Rome many months. Life is hard for all of us, from emperor and general to foot soldier and slave. But our monarch is benevolent and foremost a devoted thinker and philosopher. Perhaps that's why he is really frustrated even when facing misfortune and suffering. For it, Marcus is not putting down uprising from uncouth savages, he is placating unruly senators prone to fighting and brawling. To me, these men display a flagrant disregard for the respect due an emperor. It's appalling. The Stoic philosophy Marcus Aurelius subscribes to declares that all men are by nature equal. Blessius, he said to me the other day, you are cold. Go to the provision stand and get warmer clothes. My master has nurtured my education and so I have grown proficient in reading, writing and music. Sometimes I play the lute while he converses with me. I pretend we are friends and equals instead of master and slave. I long for our days at the imperial palace or at one of the country villas with the many luxuries. Oh, what I would give for the taste of a honey-drenched fig. I also miss my friend Grumio. I rarely see him even in Rome, for he is a domestic slave in the house of a rich merchant on the other side of the city. Still questioning my lot in life will get me nowhere. Marcus detests complaining and has told me many times that things are as they are and as they are meant to be. So I won't incur his wrath by appearing ungrateful. My friend Gaius, a freed slave, chose to fight as a gladiator for fame and fortune. Gaius is still alive, but just barely, whereas I live a charmed life in comparison thanks to my master. Marcus Aurelius often reminds me that no man is given more hardship than he can endure. Even out here in the midst of battle, he writes daily of life's paradoxes and how to accept the idea that what looks like contradiction may be true. He says he is flawed like all men, but he has had a long reign over an unruly empire and is strong and unbowed. As for me, I wish that I had one quarter of his fortitude and courage. My dear students, so far we have concluded the lesson of unit number 7. The next session we will do the vocabulary words exercises and relevant material. Thank you very much and have a nice time.